Hey everybody, what's going on? SHOT Show 2024 again with my friend Joe Hauser from MAGTECH. And I mean, gosh man, we've been friends for 5-6 years now. It's been a long while. Go all the way back on Active Self-Protection Extra. We had a good time in Sao Paulo. We got to do that again.
Yeah, that was awesome.
That was super fun, right? Got some new stuff here. MAGTECH just announced a steel ammo, but hang with me because it's a little different.
Mountain Man Medical has name brand proven trauma medical supplies with a price match guarantee to ensure you get the right gear at the right price. Check them out at get-asp.com/mountain.
So Joe, tell us about what they're doing.
Yeah, so it took us a couple years in development of this round, and it's currently 9mm.
Okay.
It's the only chambering that we're offering.
I mean, that's 90% of what people are shooting anyways.
Exactly. And it's a steel case.
Okay.
So compared to your traditional brass, it's a steel case.
But that don't look like a steel case,
That's
right?
because it is has a zinc coating on it.
When I first saw it, I thought nickel.
Right.
I thought it was a nickel plated, but it's
that's
zinc.
what you're used to when you see that color on a cartridge. You're thinking, oh, it's nickel plated. So this is zinc. It's a zinc coating, and we don't use what would be a typical lacquer or coating of any kind on our steel.
So the problem with steel, right, is you get that lacquer on it so that it doesn't corrode, and that gums your gun up. Right?
So this stuff shoots incredibly clean, incredibly smooth, and obviously some of that is your own shooter's perception.
Sure.
But everybody that we've had shoot it has been super impressed.
Now, of course, if you're paying attention to this, you might see there's like a little hole here, and a little hole here has to be. This is SHOT Show. If you have live ammo on the floor, you in trouble, fam.
Yeah.
So this is, a safe round, but same bullet that we're loading in our brass.
Same bullet that you're used to, same powder,
primer. Yep.
So you're getting the same quality ammunition. It's just a little less expensive.
Yeah, so $20 a case cheaper.
Right.
That's cool. Now you see it here, so that's the gray box as opposed to kind of the normal blue box stuff here, right? So the blue box stuff you see on ASP all the time. I mean, we go through, I shoot 20,000 rounds a year of it myself, and we go through another 40,000 rounds at the conference.
When you see it on the shelf, you'll just notice it'll say steel case on it. It'll be a little cheaper.
But the thing I want you to notice is that that's not what I expect to see in a steel case ammo. And I know some people are gonna be like, oh man, steel case is hard on your extractors. I believe if your gun won't run steel case, it's a piece of crap. I think it's kind of a non-issue, honestly. I mean, I don't care if you're running an HK, a Glock, a SIG, I don't care. It's gonna run. If it doesn't run steel, it's a problem in the gun probably.
Yeah.
But especially this stuff that's zinc plated. I'm real interested to run this, so we're gonna get a couple cases of it and blow through it. But what you've seen so far is super reliable?
Absolutely no difference in running this between brass.
So that being the case now, okay, so the one thing I know some guys are gonna say, watch, I'll put him on the spot, is the brass stuff you can reload. And I know it's steel, so I don't think...
It's boxer primed.
So boxer primed,
so
which means...
I'll say that.
It's boxer primed. So at least at some ostensible level, you might be able to reload it. Now, some people are like, hey, can you the shaping and all that stuff? Won't. So, of course, got to be correct on that stuff because it may not be as pliable as brass, or it may only reload once. What you worry about, of course, is in the lip here. It gets brittle and it cracks and stuff like that. And you don't want to do that stuff.
Well, we'll make more.
Make more. Just buy the stuff that you got, right? I'm interested in this, man. I think this is really cool. I think finding ways for people to shoot cheaper. I mean, of course, we all lament the days when you could get a case of 9mm for $150. Those are pre-Rona dollars, and we don't have those dollars anymore.
The raw materials, the costs go up.
Yeah. That's the way life is, and I pay it the same price you guys pay. So I get it, but this is cool, man. And on the shelves now?
Yeah.
So go grab it, guys. I think it's cool. Joe, always great talking with you, friend.
Awesome. Appreciate it.